Hello everyone, today I will show you how to remove underline from a text box in Google Spreadsheet. Open your Google Spreadsheet and this is a text box. Now I'll remove this text box, text underline. First we select a text box. Now click this three dot option and select edit option and drawing tool will be open. Now double click on this text box and see this mouse cursor showing. Now you can remove a specific line or word underline, select. Now click this three dot option and uncheck this underline and see this underline now remove. Also remove this line and see this. If you want to remove all of this underline from your text box text, press Ctrl A and select all of this text. Firstly apply underline and again click on this underline and see this. There is no underline. And finally click save and close. In this way you can remove all of this underline or a specific text or line underline you can remove. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.